everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now.
Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our world tour series, we will traverse and illustrate the country famous as the land of saints and scholars. It's Ireland. So keep an eye out till the end of the video to see this beautiful painting and listen to the stories behind it. Here's presenting the beautiful Ireland villages. Friends, it's been a long time now we are doing this world tour series and we have traveled through so many different countries, places, cultures, their people, their lives, and of course all these through virtually colors and canvas. This time we are traveling to the land of saints and scholars. It's Ireland. Throughout the world, Ireland is known for its education excellence and also it is known for rugged, wild and just magical landscape. Here is in this painting, you will see something like that only, like something very wild and magical landscape with beautiful houses, green grass bed, rivers, a clean road. In one word, it's just amazing and magical imagery. Well, I am frenzied to start with you all. Let's begin. Friends, so as you also know that Imagination Gallery is all about art. So let's discuss this topic first. Like Irish art, or I'm talking about the art of Ireland. The history of Irish art starts around 3200 BC with Neolithic stone carvings at the New Greenwich megalithic tomb, which is today also stands there. In early Bronze Age Ireland, there is evidence of beaker culture and a widespread metalworking also. And from the late 17th century, talented artists began to emerge in these fields of fine art in Ireland, particularly the painting of portraiture and landscapes. And in the Victorian era, with a lack of patronage and better opportunities to be found abroad, many Irish artists immigrated to London or Paris, which stifled the nascent indigenous scene. And if I talk about the early Irish masters, which include Garrett Murphy, Robert Carver, George Barrett, James Barry, Hugh Douglas Hamilton, and Irish impressionists include Roderick O'Connor, Walter, with other landscape artists like Nicholas Burke, Susan Dure, Paul Henry, and many more. Ireland has several distinct regional cultures rather than a single national one. Moreover, the daily lives of city dwellers are in some ways much different from those who are living in the countryside. For example, whereas Dublin is one of Europe's most cosmopolitan cities, the Blasket Island in Dingle Bay of Ireland's southwestern coast seem almost a throwback to earlier centuries. So wherever they live, the Irish maintain a vibrant and lively folk culture. That is common. Thousands participate in country's numerous amateur musical, dance and storytelling events. A great many also engage in a variety of craft-based industries, producing items such as glass, ceramics, ironwork, wood turning, linens, embroidery and knitwear, served by the Crafts Council of Ireland and an annual trade fair in Dublin. Now, my dear friends, comes the exciting part, which I am really excited, rather than more than art, or combination of art and this topic. The villages of Ireland. A village home is just over 1500 in the picturesque country Donegal is really amazing. A rainy, windy Dublin set the tone for what was to come. Expect rain, but also expect the unexpected there. And sure enough, in the space of a day, from icy mist to fog, drizzle and weak sunlight washing over ruminating sheep, cliffs covered in moss are dotted with fairy tale houses there. Such a picturesque landscape. For those in search of a true Irish way of life, look no further than the many picturesque villages dotted across the islands of Ireland. Every village on the Emerald Isle has a story, from County Sligo to County Kerry. Ireland is an island in the North Atlantic. Irish culture has had a significant influence on other cultures, especially in the field of literature. Alongside mainstream Western culture, a strong indigenous culture exists there, as expressed through Gaelic games, Irish music, Irish language, Irish dance, etc. The island's culture shared many features with that of Great Britain, including the English language and sports such as association football, rugby, horse racing, golf and boxing. But most famously, Ireland is renowned for its history in education, and it is nicknamed as the land of saints and scholars. I'll tell you the story behind this nickname maybe later anytime. That's a different story. Throughout the world, Ireland is known for its education excellence, as I said. The people of Ireland are a curious breed. Everywhere you go there, you will find a genuine and deep-seated love of learning. And what about the people there? The Irish people are famous for being warm and friendly, which is just another way of saying the Irish love of a chat, whether with friends or strangers. Guineas, potatoes, pots of gold and sheep. There are some images conjured up when one thinks of Ireland. But there is so much more to the green country. Imagine emerald green hills as far as the eye can see. The sound of guitars streaming up and down every street. Past colleagues with present when you see horses with buggies sitting next to cars. Try to imagine a city of people filled with strangers that just want to make you feel like king, like you belong there. The Irish show up to the work late. Lunch breaks usually last longer than an hour. And the people will always tell you their exact opinion. They live very simple life. Go to work, then the pub to throw back a couple pills and have a few laughs. Then call it a night. Ireland is a place to visit not only for its beauty and history, but because of its lovely atmosphere. The Irish are known worldwide for their festive celebration, and the country hosts many events and festivals along the year. It is the largest festival of traditional music in Ireland. Not to be missed if you are a fan. Our world tour series will continue, and we will continue this happiness and joy. We will search this happiness and joy to share with you all. Let this be world family. Let's color the life with Imagination Gallery. I hope you enjoyed and liked today's exploration of Ireland? Convey your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and stories behind them, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Here's wishing you an amazing week ahead. Stay safe and take care, my friends. Bye for now.